mom's talking about her parking. Evidently she's so proud of herself. Cody's greasing this morning. He's doing a 50-hour. And I'm gonna be a nice combine operator and take the shields off for him. It's definitely not cold. All the northern people are laughing at me right now, but it's cold to me. Cold enough. So Cody already took some shields off. I gotta take off this one so I can grease the rotor and feed accelerator. Put that back so you don't lose it. It could probably slide through there and miss that tank, but that's a little too close for comfort, for me at least. Just better safe to swing it out.
Ready?
If everything stays together today, we should be able to finish corn harvest in Nebraska. Which when we finish corn harvest, that's everything for Nebraska. So hopefully everything stays together. We finished up that quarter. Now we are going to the next quarter, which is also the last quarter of corn, which is also the last field for Nebraska. I think with 2 combines, you can probably pick a quarter in 8 hours or so, and right now it is 11 o'clock. So we will get done at, what is that, 7? So it's gonna be pretty close, but it's doable. This is one reason why water is extremely important. This is a dry land corner. Obviously, this is the edge of the field on a dry land corner. It's going to be, you know, not as good. It does get better on the dry land corner, but this is why water is important. I'm gonna have to go back on the video and see when I lost my, what do you call that little rubber flap right there that like saves the corn? Which is not that big of a deal. You can run without it. It's just every now and then you may or may not have a cob, you know, come back and fall out of the header. Which even with those on there, sometimes they even still fall out of the header, so. I would just fell on a corn stalk. Oh, is he playing with the corn cobs? He almost did a backflip. Uh-oh. All that run around with that corn cob got you thirsty, huh? He's a thirsty dog. Well, we are halfway done with the quarter. The blank spots are obviously where Mom went. We don't have machine sync, so I don't get her coverage map. But we are done over here. Now we have this half. Yeah, I hate weeds. Yep. We're doing a bin change again, so everything comes to a halt pretty quick in corn whenever you don't have anything to dump in. So we have probably 8 passes over here, and then I think 6 passes over here. So we're almost done. Well, that pretty much completes today. Dad wants to fill the combines and service them and blow them off and all of that. Getting them ready to haul tomorrow. Whenever harvest goes perfect, it's boring on camera, but that is really good company-wise. So Nebraska was a pretty good success, I would say. I guess there was some breakdowns, maybe some more expensive breakdowns, kind of like on this combine we did the fan drive, but I think that's just about it, expensive wise. Now there was more breakdowns, but not as expensive as a fan drive. But this video is going to be really short, so I will see y'all tomorrow. So we took cookies and some other desserts that I really couldn't tell you what the name is, to John Deere. They have been really good to us, so we appreciate all the hard work that John Deere does for us to keep our combines and everything going. So it's always good to give here and there. But the first thing to do this morning is to clean up these headers and then get those on the trailers, and then we will start on the combines. We have to blow it off and all of that. We also have to switch concaves. So we have round bars in right now. We have to put in large wires. So these snouts kind of lift up. So they lift up one way, like this, for transport. Makes your header, that much narrower. They also lift up all the way like this. That way you can blow out all of the trash that gets out in here. Okay, let's get this cleaned up. Well, this header is blowed off and clean. Not the feeder house, but the header. And Dad is still currently working on that. So I'm gonna go drop this header, and then I'm gonna go fill up with fuel, and then Cody and I are going to unhook the grain cart. So I'm gonna go trying to save Cody from getting dusted out. How is this hanging? A hammer in that. What a strong man. Cody's gonna grease the front end really quick, and then we're gonna go pick up that little adapter thingy, whatever you want to call it. It hooks onto the grain cart. Cody has this tractor smelling like pine cones and spearmint. Feels like I'm in a gum factory right now. Which I guess is better than what most tractors smell like. Well, the hopper is in the way of backing the tractor up to the trailer, so we're gonna have to throw it off the trailer. Some of y'all are asking why I like turn it, wait a second, and then turn all the way. And here's why. It doesn't start. You have to stop and then click it. John is back with the 88. I'm pretty sure he washed it because that thing is looking sweet. And then Dad is blowing off my combine. I just fueled Mom's combine, and we're gonna start blowing on this thing because, well, the combines are disgusting.
Go ahead and take the pins out of the side of these.
You ever wondered what the other side of the concaves looks like? Well, there you go. Already took this piece off over right here, and already took these pins out. They're right here. But these kind of just pop out, kind of like that. Kind of holds it from going anywhere. And then this pin can come out. I'm about to tighten the concave to 0. Y'all watch this. There it goes. Hold on. There we go. So this is what it's looking like right now. Now before you pull that one out, you have to put the back one in. So you'll put one in here, put in the back. That way it holds that Z bar on the other side. And then we'll take out this one and put in the front one, and then we'll put in the middle one last.
That would be counterclockwise. Is it on there?
Yeah.
Yes. Go to the back.
Now it is. Okay, well, that was on the right side of the combine, and in North Dakota y'all saw the left side, so now y'all see what both sides look like when you're changing the concave. Not even.
Oh, it's leaning bad.
Leaning to the left.
Yep.
Looks to the left.
We're gonna back up there, ain't it?
Yeah, that looks more level right there. So we have the #1 combine with the draper, and then Mom's combine with a hopper behind it. Same as always. I believe this is the last thing that we have to hook up for today. Dear BTI, I got a hole in my shirt. Just letting you know. That does complete just about everything. Everything is loaded, which that means tomorrow's video is a move day, which that also means I don't know when the next video will be out because we'll be doing move day, but that is going to be it for today's video. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good day.